Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find a stream key on the Twitch application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Twitch app on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password. And once you are logged in, you will end up within the homepage, from which you can browse through various different live streams. Now, if you wish to get a stream key of any live stream that you are watching, just tap on this stream and this will open up the live stream page. Now within this page, if you tap on the video tab, you will see the share button. Go ahead and tap on it. And now you can tap on the share to option, or you can also copy the link in order to get the stream key copied into your clipboard. Once you have copied the stream key, you can share this with any user and they can simply tap on the key in order to join watching the live stream. If you are making your own live stream, then in order to get the key for your stream, just tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner and then tap on Edit Stream Info. You will now see various different stream info option, and if you slide underneath, you will see the share link to channel option. You can just tap on this, and now this will provide you with the link or your stream key, which people can directly tap in order to join your live stream. Just share this stream key with any person that wishes to join your stream. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to find the stream key on the Twitch app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.